Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a lady with a Lego box, don't forget to scream. I can't wait to show you the LEGO Friends Canal Houseboat. $119 at the Lego shop. We get 1, 2, 3, 4 mini dolls. This has 737 pieces. And I love that string of lights that you get up the top. I love that it's like a modular build. You open it up and you can lift up the roof so you can play inside a lot better. And we get some more cupcakes. Okay, let's open it up and see how many packets we have inside. We've got boat parts and let's get it out and I'll try and work out how many bags. 7 bags in this and lots of nice looking stickers here. I'll just open it up and let's take a closer look at these. They're so very colourful. I love Friends stickers and oh, the boat's name is Josephine. Love all the details. Okay, let's take a look. We have bag number 1 and I've got a green bike. This is my first green bike. Too exciting. Mia is first with some khaki pants and orange shoes. We've got a nice swimming top and take a look at her hair and hat, her fedora hat. She must have gone to the same hair salon as the other girls. Elijah's next and these tops and bottoms and head is well new for this set so far. And take a look at his hair, the coil texture in his hair, I love it, and his little pockets on the side of his pants. Here he is riding the green bike and it's got a little flower basket on the front. This is too cute and oh, I think he needs training wheels. Here is the little dock where they're selling their fruits and veg and some honey, and I'll attach this little box here to put some lettuce and I don't know what that yellow thing's supposed to be, but we do get printed tiles, which is great. Mia's standing up, Elijah's there, and oh, what are you doing here, Chewy, on the skateboard? This is the skateboard that Chewy wanted to ride on. Yes, buddy, I'm sorry you're not part of this set. Bag 2 and we've got lots of blue pieces. I think they're the bright blue colour. Look at that, looks nice. And then we got the medium nougat for the boat hull. Here is Layla and her legs and torso are new for this set so far. And I love her little metallic shoes she has and the top and the pink belt. Love her purple glasses and I can't get enough of her hair. The start of the canal boat. I'm loving this build and it is quite large, which I'm happy about, and that's the end bit there that I had to put on. And here's a little shampoo because this part is an outdoor shower, and these stickers, well, they took me about 5 minutes to put on. Bag 3, we have yellow and orange and some stairs. Cool, we get stairs and a little kitty cat. I can also see some body parts in here. This is Sebastian and he's actually in the street food market set also. I am loving trying to put on his hair. Come on, get on there. I am loving his little vest, his boots, his blue glasses, and love that hair. So that's Julian's hair, except it's in a like blonde color. I'm loving this guy. I need more of you. And yes, Mr. Cuteness Kitty Cat, off you go. Okay, so here's the walls and we've got a door and some of the interior in here. So I'm loving how this window's put in and it looks like a little curtain there. Little Mr. Cuteness is sitting down. There's the door and we have a little crate there for storage and the stairs, and I wanted to show you this cute little fireplace. Love how this is built and it doesn't take up much room. It's looking nice there. We'll warm up the canal boat nicely. Sorry, Sebastian, we're not ready yet. bag 4, and this will be doing more walls, and we have more doors. Check this out, this is looking good, and oh, it looks like there's like a bit of paint missing there on the door, and there's the stairs going up, and this swings open so you can play inside. More of those curtains there. We have a little rug and a little game controller on the room, and this is the bathroom. Where's my tap? They need a tap, and also there's like a gap up here, so I hope they have a good exhaust fan if someone's using the toilet. Bag 5, and we get to fit out the kitchen and make some yummy cupcakes. And what else is there? Little eggs, more of these cupcakes, and we get a whisk. There's a little trellis here on the side with some flowers growing there, and we get to put this cactus in. I love how cute it looks. It's a cool looking cactus. Comfy cushions or stools with cushions. We get 2 of these to pop in, and now the little table with cupcakes and some mugs for tea or hot chocolate, and I'll just pop that studded tile there to pop the table on. Around the back we have another cactus. There's the outdoor shower with that nice sticker and pots of paint. So the LEGO Friends like painting at the moment in this series of Friends sets. Alright, let's swing the door open because we need to put in a TV. So they're watching the treehouse on TV, must be on the news there. And now we need some more stools because this is going to be for the kitchen. Here's the kitchen sink and bench top with some eggs and batter because they are making cupcakes. Pop that there. The oven and stove top, we got baking already going on, and the milk carton. I would have loved my printed milk carton for this. We get 2 little logs to put by the fire also. And over here we've got some compartments for the kitchen utensils, so I'll just pop the frying pan in there. And now bag 6, this is the start of the rooftop party deck. Lots of parts, and here is the rooftop deck. Josephine is the boat's name, and I'm loving this. I love that plant, my watering can, and we have a DJ deck here. I don't know why there's a vase next to the DJ deck, but that's all right. So on to bag 7 already, and this is the fit out of the rooftop party deck, and we get a ladybug. Loving this deck area with a fire pit. There's the start of the tree, and we've got a shovel and broom and a solar panel there. Comfy couch. How cool does this couch look? It's looking nice, and I need to put it away from the fire. We don't want to melt near the fire there. We get 2 of these little armchairs in purple and orange. Here's a little veggie garden in a garden box, and this isn't studded on, so you just place it on. And I think we're growing lettuce and carrots there, and we're growing some more things. I don't know what those yellow things are supposed to be. Let me know in the comments if you know what they're meant to be, please. And the string of lights, which I love, with these little crystals in there. The little diamantes. Let's get this tree top on and the string of lights. I would love to be relaxing and partying on this deck. This is looking just too good. Okay, let's pop you on, and we're going to take a closer look at how it looks. Oh my goodness, loving this boat. The girls are playing some computer games while the boys are baking cupcakes. We're all up the top having fun. Sebastian's playing the triangle, and we have DJ Chewy playing some beats on the houseboat. The LEGO Friends Canal Houseboat. I wasn't sure if I was going to get this set because I have nowhere really to put it in my city. I'm not really into boats. But oh my goodness, this has changed my mind so much. I love this boat. So many details, 4 mini dolls. I love that we get 2 boys in this set. And if you're and ahhing about it, trust me, you will not be disappointed. Get your bricks out, everyone.